listen to Black Tiger, Sex Machine, Spider again.
Spiders! Spider!
Spider! Hey y'all, I'm Rave with Shay, and yes, I'm well aware that it is March, and I am just now covering week 4 and the final 13 looks of Halloween. But I'm a firm believer of better late than never, and there were a lot of really cool looks that a lot of the people that participated in put a lot of time and effort into it. So in today's video, we are going to look at the week 3 winners and highlight some of the best looks from week 4. Our week 3 winner in the zombie or zombie apocalypse is Gaquino625. This says, your apocalypse look made even the end of the world look like a great time. And she won a $50 gift card. She's adorable. If you look back at the week 3, I highlight her in there. So this is her. Super cute. Give her a follow if you don't already. I'm excited to see what her final look was. Sierra in the Sky, who was a witch, she looked completely magical and perfectly wicked. She is actually the Wicked Witch. Last but certainly not least, we've got our, I think she is Cotton Candy. So congratulations to Base Panda 95. Your insanely sweet Cotton Candy won our trick or treat theme. So trick or treat candy theme. Congratulations again to Gaquino625, Sierra in the Sky, and Base Panda 95. Let's dig right into week 4. The 3 themes for week 4, which was Thursday, October 22nd through Wednesday, October 28th, was Unplugged, Retro, oh hey. So we have Unplugged, Retro Raver, and Spin a Web. I'm gonna go ahead and look at those. We have Luana Banana. We've seen her before. Super cute set. Looks like actually Glitter Goddess has the same blue set on as well. Princess Lumiuni. She's the one that always trips me up. I can never pronounce it, but she also participated. This is a really cute look. Here's Emmy Vibes. Wow, Emmy Vibes went all out. I'm digging her fishnet gothic black look with all the webs. She has little web eye makeup on, and even her backdrop, she's got some spiders. And then here's Cinquin Beauty again. I actually showed this really cool look. She has a spider web on her eye, a silver one. Love it. I showed that in a previous video as well. Right, then we have XO_XO Chelsea. She has a really sexy spider web harness that went over her top. Super sexy. Love this look. Love the little garters, harnesses, all the accessories, and she even has a spider web mask on her face. Dang girl, dang. Kandi_Diva, love her. I'm actually supposed to be doing a collab with her, so stay tuned for that. This is a sexy AF bodysuit. It's a black bodysuit that's completely mesh and see-through with sparkles and crystals on it. Then she's got black leather bottoms and heart pasties along with like a harness and garter, like complete body. Wow, black lipstick. She's got some spiders hanging down and some stickers. She has a spider web drawn on her face as well, and a cute little beware sign. She looks sexy. We have B_Gan. She did some pretty spider webs on her eyes as well and has a harness and some spider web. Viking Raver, very cute. I'm loving this spin a web. At first I was like, I'm not really into this, but Viking Raver with all the like black strappy. I'm all about strappy, peekaboo, mesh, all of that. Very cute. Again, she actually doesn't have a spider web on her eye. She has a spider across her eye. Good job, Viking Raver. Life in the Fast Lena, we love her. She looks adorable as always. She's got some cute orange fluffs in her ear, like kitty ears and earrings. So lots of really cool makeup. This is NSF Wubs. I remember her from another previous video as well. Jordan Ray, makeup artist, has this trippy tarantula going over her face. It's creepy. But she does an entire spider web across her face. This makeup is gorgeous. She has like extra fake eyelashes under her eyes. Really cool. And then my girl Fexalicious. I love her. She is gorgeous. She did some really fun face makeup as well. And she's really good at having nice lighting. Like you'll see this purple light in the back. I remember that from when she did the witch look. Again, black lipstick. She's got some fur on. She looks great. Love this. Love the little spiders or cyclops. Like there's an eyeball spider on her forehead. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Cass.Raves is in a Flash Aura set from Freedom Ravewear. I love this set. I wore it to Dead Mouse. It's long sleeves and a bottom and the mask, and it's all reflective, and she has a picture of her up on her pole She looks like a spider. That's dope. Good job, Cast Raves. And then my girl, Rave Shay, she did a spider look as well. Just so much really awesome makeup. I'm loving this. I didn't realize there was so much spider print pieces. She's got the spider web, a huge spider on her forehead and 2 on either side of her face. Again, black lipstick, really dope. Eyelashes, even a spider necklace. Like, Rave Shay, sexy. Britta Pro is super cute. She is actually Spider-Man, so she's Spider-Woman, I guess. She's got a little red spider unitard bodysuit or dress with red sleeve, Spider-Man makeup on the top half of her face. I'm like, but on the top half of her face, she's got black and red spider, like, I'm not doing a good job explaining it, so I'm just gonna pop this picture up, but really cute Britta Pro, love this look. And then Tiny Dancer 99, I'm familiar with her as well. These girls are killing it every week with a different look. So she not only has a really cool black web background, but she has made herself have 8 arms, like an actual spider. All black, really cute black mesh spider web print skirt, and then really cool eye makeup, or face makeup with multiple eyes. Like, she looks like a legit spider. Oh, this is Kandi Cosmos. Kandi Cosmos has a makeup tutorial, so I'll pop that up. Momo Dubs, y'all, if you don't follow Momo Dubs, do yourself a favor and give her a follow. She is one of the most creative people I've ever encountered. Her outfit is awesome. She's got spider web sleeves. She's got like this reflective top that also has spiders on it. She did spider makeup. Her lips are sealed like a spider across her lips in black. She's got spiders coming down from her eyes. She's got a spider web like on her forehead. This is dope. She is a sexy little spider. And then of course, ASCJ Ken, he is amazing. Love this. He has spiders as a top. Like, there's basically like spiders pasties and then like spider web, what are these? Gloves. I love you, ASCJ Ken. You're so fun. Eva_Sorensen, also recognize that name. I will have links down below so that you can follow all these amazing people on Instagram and wherever else they may be. Eva did some dope makeup. I don't even know what I'm looking at right here. She's got eyes all over her face. Her eyes are actually completely blacked out. Eyes on her forehead. It's pretty creepy. Good job, Eva. Love that. Wish I knew how to do fun makeup. That would be cool. And then our girl Content from Jess, of course, she always says that she's not the one to be creepy, and she is gorgeous. She's got a purple spider thing going on. She's got a purple tulle skirt with like a purple spider web top with a spider in between her boobs and chains hanging down. She's got the sleeves. I gotta get my hands on these sleeves. These are dope. If anyone knows where these little sleeves with the spiders, this one has like silver sparkly spider webs and spiders on her arms. She's got a really fun purple headband up top, and then I don't know if this is an edit or if she dropped spiders or they're in the background, but there's a bunch of spiders on either of her hands. And again, black lipstick and dope makeup. She looks beautiful. Content from Jess. Give me all your content, girl. I want all of it. That is all of the people that did spin a web for spiders. We also have Retro Raver. Fexalicious, looking cute. Raver, wow, okay. I see you. She did a different decade altogether. She's all pretty in pink wig, pink pasties, all pearl, pink corset. Man, redheaded Raver, you look sexy. Then my girl Curly Cami, and now she's Curly Raver Cami. She looks amazing. She's got red, gorgeous curly hair and a little chain choker, and then she's got beautiful face makeup that's red, white, and blue. And she has one blue eye and one brown eye. Very cute Curly Cami. Love it. Ray Bechet, awesome. Loving that tutu. I'm loving the purple mesh little hands. You girls are killing it. Momo Dubs did actually like a 70s retro raver. She looks like she came right out of Woodstock. This is pretty. Love that. It looks like a lot of these names are the same. So this is NSF Wubs in this awesome, gorgeous, neon yellowish green velour bell bottoms with matching kitty ears. Loving this. This is a new person, so I love that this is making me meet new people. Miss Sammy Marie. She has on a two-piece set that is all smiley faces and different colors with another Nomad Candy chain belt. Shout out to Lauren Hutzel, keeping us ravers even when there aren't raves to go to, keeping us accessorized to the max. And some kitty ears, some fun face gems, looking cute. She says, my attempt at making a retro look. Girl, you killed it, Miss Sammy Marie. It's Miss_Sammy_Marie. Cute retro raver, loving it. Simply amazing with all the G's. You are simply amazing. I know that's so cheesy. My husband was like, why did you say that in your last video? But she is in all the neon, hot pink leggings. She's got neon fishnet tights, a neon jacket, neon retro glasses. This is so cute. She looks like she was plucked right out of Saved by the Bell. Just Mavia. Just Mavia is very cute. She's got gorgeous long hair with the little pink meshy hand things. Do those have a name? Retro-y stuff. She's got the little fluffs from Brit's Blossoms, neon green. She's wearing a black two-piece set with a skirt. So much retro. I'm just gonna like pop up all these pictures. This one's really cute from Joy McMezzo. 80s, but make it rave. Love that. Candy Cosmos, dancing around. Things you can do when the bass is in your face. I like this girl. Get it, girl. 80s butt, make it rave. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I didn't realize that this had anything to do with the 13 looks of Halloween. I actually showed this to Lee and was like, I need this. This is Unix Girl. She is wearing this amazing, incredible fluffy hat and fluffy vest that glow in the dark, and it says Raving Disco Queen. Oh my gosh, Unix Girl killing this look. Kitty Von Cat, and she is like an awesome little retro raver. She's more 70s, like kind of out of Woodstock with a huge flower crown on. Where are my ladies that love flower crowns? Ladies and gents, love that. She's got a Dia de los Muertos like backdrop. Really, really long, gorgeous blonde hair. Flicka 138. Flicka 138, straight out of one of those workout videos in the 80s. Looks really awesome. It's really difficult because everything was done on stories, so I'm like looking through as I go, like I'm some sort of acclaimed critic. I'm just Shay. For Retro Raver. Unplugged might be Matrix, I guess. Sorry if I get this wrong. Dope makeup here. Joy McMezzo actually made herself look like she was in the Matrix. That is beyond words. ASCJ Ken, my man, loving this green light up wig and goggles and your harness, always glowing. And then Aid, vibe with Aid, looking sexy like a boss with her black glasses. And she's wearing some chains and a black two-piece set, and then she's got the little drip of technology, if you will, coming down. Lady Wavy, okay y'all, Lady Wavy she's got my full attention. I have a girl crush on her right now. It says enter the Matrix, and she's got like black out across her face and purplish. I'm doing a terrible job, so I'm just gonna pop it up, but she is in all silver, form-fitting, tight attire. Not sure if you can hear me because of that car. And her shoes are reflective. That's really cool. Some G stuff. Loving all the lights, loving this whole look. Fexalicious. Oh, I remember those goggles. These res goggles made their way in the apocalyptic look, and here she is again. I know Kung Fu. NFS Wubs did some really cool face makeup. Loving that. Flicka 138, really cool. Ooh, this edit's really cool. This is Hannah Truce, whole like green aura shadow, and is in all black leather. And the black glasses and the chains, really cool. Face Panda did this look, and oh my gosh, Eva Swornson, this makeup, girlfriend, how do you do that? Again, the black lipstick, she even has cool nails, awesome eye makeup, and then this whole half of her face is melting into the Matrix. Like, good job, Eva, that is hot. So again, congratulations to our week 3 winners. Great job on these week 4 looks. These are incredible. I will catch you guys next week with the free-for-all look from Halloween, a highlight of all of those, and the week 4 winners. And then I'm thinking of doing a video of all 13 looks, like a highlight of all 13. Let me know down in the comments. Are you interested in seeing that? Also, let me know down below, what was your favorite look from this week? Or any week, really. And then, did anyone participate in the 12 days of RAVEMAS? I might look into that next. Anyways, I hope that this was fun. I hope that you enjoy looking at all of these looks. My dog is literally jumping in my lap. I hope that you guys enjoy looking at all these fun looks as much as I do, and just kind of having fun in a time of our lives where we're kind of not as able to go out as we used to be. Thanks again. Darth, it's okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Ray with Shay, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace.